Hey there, what's up? It's me Rakin. In this video I'll show that how you can make a Twitter agent by using make.com. So without writing a single line of code, you can actually make that Twitter agent. So as you can see in the screen, that's actually the Twitter agent. So by using only 3 modules, I just created that. It's super simple, and let me show that what it actually do. So without any kind of human interaction, it will just go to Reddit and it will actually just take out specific contents based on my interest. So by the given data, this AI model actually process the data and then give a tweet. And obviously the tweet is have to be very simple and have to be engaging with the AI geeks. Then after making the tweet, it actually simply post to the, and after making the tweet on that specific post, it will actually post to my Twitter account. It's very simple, very easy to do. So let me show you that how I actually just really made that. So as you can see that's actually the RSS feed. This is actually in the URL section, as you can see. So from here it actually just getting the tweets, or just it actually getting the contents ideas, and then it will actually just show you that how it will done. And if I just go in here and click here, run once, and as you can see here, that's the title, that's the URL of the content. So then actually it will just go in here on the open router section. If I just unlink that, and if I just show you that again, run once, it will just come with another idea and it will just give to this AI model. Then so this is the tweet. You can see that is an attention is in transformers analogs to human attention, or just a naming coincidence. Both tackle prioritizing relevant information, but the mechanisms differ greatly. Metrics versus complex cognitions, food for thought, AI, transformers, attention, mechanism. So it's just related with transformers, mechanism, attention. So this kind of thing. So this all of the things actually just I'm saying like clicking on the manual, but this all of the things will done automatically in autopilot. So if I just go in here, and if I just also you can just say that like after how many times this scenario will be, or this workflow will just start working, or just it will just repeat the work. So in here just 50 minutes, I can just go with 120 minutes means 2 hours. After every 2 hours it will just generate a new, it will take out a new content and it will just give to the AI model. Then it will just make a new tweet, and then if I just link that, it will just post to my Twitter profile. So let me just go and just show you that how it really works. If I just go to run once, so as you can see that it actually just posted. And if I just go and just see that thing, you can see that interesting Reddit thread highlights the real AI threat isn't killer robots, but subtle manipulation and erosion of critical thinking by AI generated propaganda and endless entertainment. Bradbury and Asimov warnings ring true at analytics, AI safety. So it actually just uploaded a tweet about AI safety and this kind of thing. If I just go to my Twitter, I can just see that thing. Let me just show you that directly in the live, that it actually just uploaded right now. So yeah, so as you can see that 55 seconds ago it just uploaded tweet, and also just 4 hours ago when I just made that, I should just uploaded this tweet. You can see that like those are really cool, and sometimes it will also just publish the link. If the Reddit post have link of the website, it will actually also give the link. As you can see that there's a research paper, I think. So this is really cool. So in just seconds you can see that you can upload tweets even without my interactions. So these things is happening in autopilot. So let me show you that how you can really make that in step by step. So the first, as you can see that like I'm on a new scenario. So let me just go with the plus icon, and in here I have to just at the first I have to go with the RSS. So at the RSS module, I'll just go with watch RSS feed and items. So in have to give the URL in here. So as I said, like I had given a RSS feed of a Reddit profile. So if I just show you that this Reddit profile, which is called like artificial intelligence, so this profile is very popular based on artificial intelligence. So in your case, or in your like niche, maybe it's different. You are maybe just wanting to make tweet on news, or just kind of like cybersecurity, or just kind of something else, or business growth. So this kind of thing you want to just upload, or just cryptocurrency. So obviously just find out that like which is the best source for this information. It can be Reddit, it can be a website, anything. Just what you have to just give at the top, and you have to go with Ctrl+C and just copy the URL, and then come to this module, then give the URL, and then after that go with .rss. so now it's converted to RSS URL, so I'm just going with save. So I'm just going with all RSS feed items. If I just show you that right now, if I just go with run once, so it is now coming with a actually this is actually the content with the actually just came with a random content based on my interest. I can directly post that on like on my Twitter, so I have to feed that to a AI model so that it actually just make a good format. So if I just have to do that, I can have to just go with a AI model. So for example, in your case, you can just use OpenAI, but OpenAI is like I don't have OpenAI premium version, so I have the basic version, so I can use that in here. So if you are like me, you want to just do that for free, you can use OpenRouter in here. So if you don't know how to use OpenRouter on make.com for free, I strongly recommend you to watch this video in here. So in this video I showed you that how you can use OpenRouter and the free models of OpenRouter on make.com. so obviously just go and watch that video. I'm just going with this one and going with create a chat complication, and in here I have to go with, so as you can see there's a things actually the message and the content, and in here I'll just go with the rule with assistant, and in the content section I have to give the prompt. So let me just give the prompt in here. So that's actually the prompt. Write a knowledgeable tweet about this AI topic, actually this will be the AI topic. Okay, for Twitter AI gigs, you can actually just change that. For example, your topic will be different, maybe just about cryptocurrency topic for Twitter AI gigs, and you can just show them like business gigs or like cryptocurrency gigs. I'm just saying the example and from this Reddit post. So then I'm just saying the Reddit post title. So in the title section I'll just put the title from the Reddit, and the Reddit post description I'll just go with the Reddit post description. As you can see that this is the Reddit post description, that's it. And then I said okay, keep this under 280 characters. Then also say it also the output format is very important, because like let me say something that it will just give you even explanation, so you can directly just use this explanation on your Twitter. So you need only the solid Twitter, so that's why I just say that like only the tweet with hashtags, no additional or extra response or explanation from you. Make sure the Twitter is very simple English words but informative to the AI geeks and easy to read. By the way, no image will be added to the text, because our Twitter will be only the text as like a status, so no image will be added. So also I'm saying to the AI so that like it can understand that there will be no image, only the text. After that I have to go with the model section. So that's the main thing. Like if you're using OpenRouter, that's the best thing, you can use free models. So if I just click here free, you can see that like lots of free models. So I'm just going with the Gemini experimental model, the Flash model, which is super cool. This one, Gemini Flash 2.1 experimental. I'm going with save. So if you're OpenRouter, I strongly recommend you to go with OpenRouter, because the best AI model right now is the OpenAI, because like there are like more than trillion parameters, and if you just compare with like even like the DeepSeek, it has like I guess 167 billion parameters. So the parameters actually the the data. Obviously just go with the which AI models has the most data. Now let me see that is it works or not. So as you can see that it is giving the result, and if I just go in the choices section, then I'm just going the message, I can see that the result is here. Let me just make this big so that like also you can see that. Yeah, are you constantly shifting the definition of AI intelligence? Is AI failing, or are we failing to recognize one human intelligence? When does AI intelligence simply become intelligence? So it just, I guess it's kind of like philosophy type of thing, it just take out. So if you just make your prompt more strong and more specific, it will just work so specifically. So then I'll just go with the plus icon. In here I have to just go with my Twitter. So I'll just add the Twitter X Twitter. Yeah, this is one, X formerly Twitter. And in here I'll just go with the create a post, this one. And if you don't know how to add your account, or just add your Twitter account with make.com, I had just added a video at the last of this video, so you can go and watch that so that you can understand that how can you add your Twitter account to make.com, because in here you have to give the client ID and also you have to give the client secret ID. So that's why it's kind of like tricky. You have to just go to the developer option of the Twitter, then you have to just take out all of the things. So I had made a very easy and understandable video if you're new and you can just understand everything so easily. So that's it. Then I have to just, in the text content, I have to just go with the choices. In the choices section, I have to just go with the message, and then in the content section I'll just go and put that. That's it. And as you can see that like I had already connected, so that's why it's not saying anything. Otherwise you have to just connect with this, and then I will just go with save, and as you can see everything is just okay. Let me just come again, and if I just go to run once, it will come into a new, and then just as you can see it's uploaded. If I just go here and see, let's see that what is uploaded. Building a healthcare chatbot, forget RNS initially, start with intent recognition and entity extraction using simpler models like rule-based systems or TFDF, blah blah, like this kind of thing. Instead of you want to just make that like it will run in autopilot. So in here you can just go with this option, and you can actually just set the minutes, like or just in the minutes format. Like if I just go with for example 120 minutes, so it's mean like after 2 hours it will just run. Also you can just go with days, for example let me just show you that how you can just go in the intervals every day. So it's mean every day at a specific time you can just set that, and in that specific time it will just create a tweet. And if you want to just go with at regular intervals, you can just set a minute. After that minute you can actually just automatically the content will be posted, so you don't need any kind of interactions in here. And if you just go with this option, so after every minute it will run. And if I just click save, and if I just came out, or let me just save that by clicking this. Okay, if I just came out, and you can see that, as you can see this button is turned on, so it's mean our agent is totally on the internet, so it is now working. So it's very cool and very simple to do and very easy. If you want to active on Twitter, I strongly recommend you to use this agent by making yourself and like kind of this thing. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel, cause inshallah I'll try to upload more videos on AI agents, and that's will help you to automate your business. And cause like the giants also say that like AI agent is the future, what kind of this thing. So, and if you want to just have any plan to do something with business automation, or like you need a AI expert, you can just talk with me on my Instagram, and also I had given the email address. And also you can set a online Zoom consultation with me by using the calendar link that has a given. So that's it. I hope like this video helped you a lot. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to just share this with another one, just sharing this very cool informative video to someone else, just go and share that. That's it. Peace out.